time for the final award of the evening, Outstanding Drama Series. This year there were 8 nominees, each unique, each so different from the television that we grew up with. And here they are.
Better Call Saul, Bodyguard, Game of Thrones, Killing Eve, Ozark, Pose, Succession, This Is Us.
And the Emmy goes to Game of Thrones.
Providing the experience and the wisdom we sorely lacked. Go ahead.
Thank you to everyone at HBO, to Richard, Casey, Franny, Janet, Holly, Mara, Nancy, everybody for all of your faith and support over the years. Thank you to the hardest working crews in show business, the Dragons who shot for 70 nights straight in freezing Belfast rain, the Wolves who shot all around the world. You are amazing, all of you, and it is amazing that all of you are still alive.
These last 10 years have been the best years of our lives, and for everyone who worked with us on it, I can't believe we finished it. I can't believe we did it. We did it all together, and it's over, and we shall never see her like again. Amanda, Pete, I love you so much. Frankie, Molly, Henry, I love you.
Andrea, Leo, Hugo, I love you. We're sorry we were gone for so long. We hope someday you all decide it was worth it. Thank you, guys.
It's been a great show.